Hello students, welcome to online classes of Shri Mahavir International School. Today I will introduce you your third chapter, that is the clothes we wear. So that's very easy chapter. Only you have to learn about what type of clothes you wear, types of clothes, also the types of clothes in different seasons. Okay, so that's very simple. Let's begin. Name the clothes. First picture is of SH dash dash T. That's right. Shirt. 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 Second, J dash ANS. Yes, jeans. E will be there. And third picture is of sweater. 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 We wear different kinds of clothes. Clothes protect our body from heat, cold and rain. Yes, in summer the clothes protect us from heat or hotness of the sun. And in during the rain it protects us from not getting too much wet. And cold, during the cold time it protects us from coldness, so that we should not feel ill because of the temperature changes. Clothes also protect us from small injuries such as insect bites, cuts, and pressures. Means if we wear the full sleeve shirt, or you can say t-shirt, we should not get the mosquito bite, different kind of insected bites, and also the cut embraces when we get the direct contact with anything that cut our skin. Clothes in different seasons. During summer, we wear light cotton clothes because summer is a time when the sun is very hot during the day, so we wear the light clothes to protect us from heating, and also so that we should not get too much sweating. Cotton clothes also keep us cool in summer. Cotton clothes keep us cool. We also use sunglasses to protect our eyes from getting the direct sunlight. We wear the sunglasses, hats to protect our head, and umbrellas to protect ourselves from the sun's harmful rays. During summer, we like to swim in swimming pools, and during summer, people like to swim in the swimming pool so that they feel the cool during summer. We wear a swimming costume in the swimming pool, so you have a different costume for swimming also, because some chemicals are thrown in water of swimming pool so that it can be kept fresh for more time. So, for protecting yourself from that chemicals, you have the swimming costume. We wear woolen clothes during winter season, and also you may notice that during winters you feel hot when you wear the woolen clothes, the clothes made up of wool, or wool which we get from sheep. Woolen clothes keep us warm. We wear sweaters, jackets, long coats, woolen socks, mufflers, and hats. In the rainy season, we wear a raincoat to keep ourselves dry. And during the rainy season, what the people do, they protect themselves by wearing the raincoats, gumboots, so that they protect themselves, they may remain dry. We also take an umbrella to protect ourselves from the rain. How do we make clothes? Long time ago, people did not know how to make clothes. They used to wear leaves, skins of dead animals, or bark of trees. You know about early humans? They have to wear the only leaves, skins of dead animals, and bark of trees because they don't have any option. They don't know how to stitch the clothes or how to make different kind of clothes. So they wear only the things whatever they get from the forest, like leaves, skins of dead animals, and bark of trees. The clothes that we wear today are made from cotton, wool, or silk. There are different stages of making a cloth. Now we will learn about how the clothes are made up of. Making of a cotton cloth. What is the process of making a cotton cloth? We get cotton from the cotton plant. From the cotton, we make thread by the process of spinning. Means you use the spinner to make the thread by cotton plant. The process by which cotton thread becomes a cloth is called weaving. Then you weave the clothes by a thread. Making of wool. We get wool from the hair of sheep. The process by which hair is collected from a sheep's body is called shearing. The sheep's hair is cleaned and made into woolen thread in machine. Okay, by the process of different processing in the machine, we make the woolen thread. The woolen thread is needed to make woolen clothes such as sweaters, caps, socks, and muffler. Nowadays people have the habit of having the ready-made sweaters, but earlier times our grandmother and mother also, they knit our sweaters. Okay, and also the caps. Woolen clothes can be knitted at home. They are also made in factories also. Nowadays, nobody has time because mothers are also working. So we get the ready-made woolen clothes nowadays. Have you seen anyone in your family knitting wool? So question has been given that uh, in your family anyone is knitting the wool, yes or no? You have to tick according to your family. Making of silk clothes and how the silk clothes are made up of. We get silk from the silkworm. Okay, first we get the silk from silkworm, then we weave the silk thread to make different types of clothes such as sarees, scarves, and kurtas. Different kinds of clothes. People around the world wear different kinds of clothes. Each country has a special dress of its own. It is called the traditional dress of the country. So people, you have seen different kind of people, they wear different kind of clothes as according to their tradition or according to occupations. So first, according to country, if we wear the dress, that is called our traditional dress. Kilt is the traditional dress of Scotland. You can see the kilt dress first boy is wearing. Second is the picture of Japanese girl who is wearing kimono. Kimono is the traditional dress of Japan. The sari is a traditional dress of Indian women because every woman uh, look lovely in sarees. In Indian culture, they have the tradition of wearing sarees in different ways. Sari is also wrapped in different ways in different states of India. Tuab is a traditional dress of Saudi Arabia. You have seen Saudi Arabian people, they wear tuab. Uniforms, like you have the school uniform. Uniforms are special dresses people wear when they go to work or when they go for any special thing like schooling. You have the uniforms. We can tell the kind of work a person does by looking at his or her uniform. Like doctor, they wear the white coat. Okay, you can see the picture. The second picture is of nurse. She may wear the skirt, or you can say cap also of white color. Policeman is wearing the brown kind of cap and also the dress. Soldier, firefighter, astronaut, pilot, football player, and lawyer. Lawyer is wearing the black coats. Do you wear uniform to school? Yes, you have to write down yes because you have the school uniform. So, what we have learned in this chapter, clothes. Clothes and seasons. In summer, we mostly wear the cotton clothes so that we have the less sweating and we may feel cool, okay, instead of hotness. Winter, during winter, we wear the woolen clothes to keep our body warm. In rainy season, we wear raincoat and also the umbrella so that our body will be dry during rainy season. Making of a cloth, how the clothes are made cotton clothes by spinning and weaving, woolen clothes by shearing. Shearing is the process by which the wool has been taken out from the ship, and knitting, sweater is knit or cap is knit. Silk, weaving, sarees are made, scarves are made of silk clothes. Different kinds of clothes, uniform, like different people they wear to their uniform to their work, like doctor, soldier, pilot, lawyer. Traditional dress, every country has different traditional dress. Like India has a traditional dress of sari, and sarees are also draped in different ways in India. Okay, formal, formal and informal dress. Informal we can wear anything, but formal dress is a particular dress we wear for any work. That is called formal dress. So you have learn about different kinds of clothes, how they are made up, and different clothes in different seasons.